So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and let's find out what has happened in the market and what are we expecting from the market for tomorrow. So on the closing bell, Sensex was at 49,500 and 296 points higher. Nifty above 14,900. L&T gains 4% and Dr. Reddy Labs 3%. L&T and financial lets the market gains today. 23 of 30 Sensex stocks end the day in the green. Index contributors were L&T, HDFC, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, HDFC Bank. Top index gainers: L&T 4.07%, Dr. Reddy's Lab 3.12%, Sun Pharmaceuticals 2.68%. Top index losers included Ultratech Cements 1.32%, Infosys 0.88%, HCL Tech 0.25%. All BSE sectoral indices except IT end the day in the green. S&P BSE Metal biggest sectoral gainer, up by 3.53%. S&P BSE Information Technology biggest sectoral loser, down by 0.17%. Volume stoppers were Tata Steel, SBI, Reliance, Sun Pharma and HDFC. So this is the closing bell news on the Sensex. Now we are looking at the Nifty 50's daily chart and the closing, the last closing on the Friday. When I talked and I told you that tomorrow there are two possibilities, and one is the downside and second is the upside opening. If market opens gap up, then it is going to be there, and I have mentioned it that I am expecting a gap up opening, and you can listen to the video. And the same thing has happened. Market has opened gap up. So now the thing is that market has stopped the 14,900 level. Definitely it has stopped the 14,900 level, but is it market that strong? Is the market that strong? Because here you can see at this candle, when market previously reached the resistance level, it went about the 15,000 level also, right, but could not hold on to it. And but here the difference between these two candle is that this candle is a green candle, and this time market has closed about the 14,900 level. But on the second hand, this candle's opening and closing has a difference of only 14 points, which is virtually like opening and closing are the same, and candle of an indecision, as we can see. And as I have talked about, the market is about to get consolidated here at the resistance level. It is the expectations from the market that it will get little consolidated, and here you can see that it has consolidated only. Okay, I know this has consolidated above the range, but it is a consolidation only. Here you can see also. Okay, and I have also seen people talking about this thing, that this closings are market is making higher lows. So yeah, it can be an indication, but this indication is not of surety. For sure, this indication is not of surety. How can you be sure? We can't be sure, because all the candles we are seeing is the candle of indecisions. Okay, bulls are there, but they are not in control. If bulls were to be in control there, we will be seeing some sort of this candle, big large candles. But these are the candles of indecisions where bull tries to push the market upper side, but bears at the end of the day, somehow bears takes the control. They come into the market and they forces market to close right where it has opened. So I don't think so that this is going to be a bull run here from the market. But yeah, one thing I am definitely sure about from here is that tomorrow's movement is definitely depending upon the gap up or gap down opening. And what I am expecting is that market will be here at the resistance only. Market will be here at the resistance only. I'm not expecting more upside movement from the market. If market happens to open gap up, then all the gains will be vanished and market will close at resistance level only. So these are my clear cut expectations from the Nifty 50. I'm expecting both side opening is possible, gap up or gap down. Tomorrow I am expecting a little bit of definitely an opening of gap up opening, but all the gains will be vanished and market will end its day near resistance only, right? So if market, even if market opens gap down, then also I'm expecting to market to end the day near the resistance level. There will not be such a huge movement. Okay, so because today's also we can see the most of the gains were made by in the opening only, so not much gains by the not much gains happen in the market today also, because most of the gains were consumed in the gap up opening only. So okay, again an indecision candle means that tomorrow also a little day of the momentum will be there, but I'm hoping the market will be getting consolidated near resistance only for tomorrow also. Okay, and now moving to the bank nifty. So here is the bank nifty. You can see bank nifty, another indecision candle in the bank nifty as well. You can see here, and bank nifty, you can see the market is rising but with the bearish candle. So what does this mean? This means that this is just some kind of whisper, because bulls are not able to hold on to the market. They do try to push the prices up, but bears are not letting them do that, because if bears would be allowing it, then the market would be at the resistance by now, but market have not reached. Look at here how market reached to the resistance in the matter of 2 days. From the support, market has reached to the resistance in the matter of 2 days, and here you can see how much candles they are taking, because bears are not allowing them. Bears are pushing them, they are stopping them somehow. But again, we can see a candle of indecision made in the bank nifty also. To the very similar expectations we can have from the bank nifty as well. If market happens to open gap up, then we will be seeing another such kind of candle, and if market opens gap down, then I am definitely sure that market will try to reach the support again. So these are my expectations from the bank nifty and the nifty 50. I hope it is very clear. It is very clear, because I have made it very clear. I am very sure about it, that this kind, I'm not going to accept, and I'm going to advise you that don't accept it as a bull run. This is not a bull run. You can see the candles, those candles are not in control at all. Okay, you can't expect that kind of candles to hold and you can take a bull run from here, because a trend market looks like this. Look at these big candles making low highs. This kind of candles make trends. Those kind of, and this kind of a small body candle doesn't make any trend. This is just means that they are trying to create a trend, but they couldn't hold on to it. So this thing suggests that this indecision candle are suggesting just one simple thing, that yeah, there are bulls who are trying to create a rally, a trend, an uptrend, but they are not able to do that. Okay, so now we have to wait, because today also in the nifty 50, nifty topped 14,900. There was a real hype in the market, but as you can see, the market has been there near the resistance only. It is not much above the resistance. Previously when nifty touched the resistance, we have seen nifty crossed 15,000 level even. So what happened to that? Nothing has happened. Now what we have to do, I'm not saying that you should short the market. I'm saying that wait, let us have at least one strong confirmation before we jump into and deciding that okay, market is in the bull run. I am not expecting that. What my expectations is that market will be getting consolidated the resistance. So these are my clear expectations, that both nifty 50 will again be getting consolidated near the resistance only, and bank nifty, if open gap up, then we'll be seeing some kind of another candle here. If opens gap down, then definitely will try to reach the support again. So these are my clear expectations from the bank nifty and the nifty. Now moving to the stocks which I have picked for the tomorrow's trading. So I think I have picked 3 stocks. Those stocks are obviously in the today's top gainers, because those are the stocks which have momentum, and I always suggest the momentum trades, because those are easy to take. The risk is also not much in this kind of stocks. So here you can see Coal India. Now this is what we call a trend. Now this is what we call a momentum. Indecision candles, look at the size of the candle's body, increasing, and now look at this candle, boom, volume, great. Indecision candle, market rising, body, but the body of the candle increasing, and now today what we have seen, a great body of the candle. Now what I see, the major resistance to the prices are here. This is we can't call a resistance. This is more of a island cluster made by the prices. So this is not a resistance. I am expecting again a long position in the Coal India. And now the second stock will be our Hindalco. Hindalco is giving us some great momentum. A few days back also we have taken trade in the Hindalco. Now look at these 3 white soldiers. I mean, like, this is just super 3 candlestick patterns, looks like that only. Go long on the Hindalco. Again, go long on the Hindalco. Okay, so this is the second stock for the trading. And third is UPL. UPL, little bit judgment required. So people who just want a relaxed trade should ignore UPL, because in UPL you have to apply a little bit of judgment. If market somehow sustains above this level, above the level of today's closing near. Let's take for the best 1675. If survives above 1675, market survives above 1675 means market happens to close above 675 75 rupees in the initial half an hour at 9:45. If you see that market has closed about 675, then you can go long. If you see below that, then you can short the market for the support level. So these are my expectation. These are the three stocks. Nifty 50 we are clear, Bank Nifty we are clear, UPL we are clear, Hindalco we are very clear, and Coal India also we are very clear. So I hope now you understood what you have to do tomorrow. So I hope you are liking our videos, friends. So please do like the video, share with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.